Hey guys, I'm not sure if you can hear me, but we're at Wigan Yamaha and we're taking out MT10SP. It's not my first time riding one, it's my second, but first time I rode one, it was only for about 20 minutes on the MT demo weekend, so I'm looking forward to taking it out for the day. So yeah, that's cool. And you can see my little bee over there, I think. Oh. See you later. So let's go. I love the seating position, I just really like it. My 125 was a WR. Sorry, my sat-nav's interrupting. So I'm used to tall bikes and being sat up quite high because I had my 125 for about three and a half years, so I just like the position. Like my MT07 is really quite low and I always refer it to like sitting on a sofa or a couch because it's so low. I much prefer this position. I just feel more ready to go, maybe. And there is one thing I've noticed from when I rode it last time: the stand is ridiculous. It feels like it's in a really ridiculous place. I struggle to put the stand down because the peg's in the way, but I'm sure I'll show you that in a bit when I stop. I just love it. I just really like it. It's got the power of the R1. It doesn't feel as serious. This one's got handguards on it as well. Pretty sure it didn't have these when I rode it the other week. I didn't notice. I feel so cool riding it as well. I really like the front end. I know a lot of people are not sure in it. It looks like a transformer, you know, an Autobot, but I like that. I think it looks so cool. I'm all for that sort of geeky shit. I like it. So yeah, especially like when the lights on, it just looks so cool. I think actually someone asked me this on Instagram the other day. They said MT09SP or MT10, and obviously MT10 because it's got more power and it's more fun, but I think I do prefer definitely the looks of the 09. I think the MT10 looks a little bit sad. The lights are sort of like angled down and it looks a little bit sad, and I think the MT09 looks a bit more mean, even though like the MT10 looks really big. That's just what I feel. It looks a bit better, but I still like the MT10 looks. Switch gear, I mean, you can probably see it. I hope you can see it. I'm not gonna lie, it looks a bit much. It looks a bit confusing to me. When I rode it for the short ride, the first time I rode it, it was in C mode because it was quite damp, and it was my first time on it, so I put it in C, and then I was going to change it. Oh, was it in B? It might have been in B actually. Anyway, when I was riding, I thought, right, I'll change the mode to A because I felt a bit more comfortable in it, and I could not do it while I was riding. I forgot how to do it from when I rode the R1, because this is the SP, so it's got the R1 controls, but I couldn't figure out to do it. how to do it at all. Like all these buttons, you press mode at the back, but I didn't actually see that. I didn't even notice that button. So it's not the clearest, but when you've got a bike with this much technology, it's going to be quite confusing, isn't it, really, on the switch gear. So I'm not really that bothered. Obviously you get used to it. The buttons are, you know, sort of big and chunky, they're not like really awkward, so that's alright. But yeah, so for those of you who don't know what the difference is between neutral we all do it. Those of you who don't know the difference between the standard model and an SP, the SP has the electronic suspension. Don't ask me how that works, because I couldn't tell you, but yeah, it's got an electronic suspension and the TFT dash off the R1, and as I said, the controls from the R1, the switch gear. But the normal one has, you know, the sort of grey dash where it's like sort of negative, probably the best way to describe it, I think. It's just like that. So is it worth spending the extra money on the SP? If you got it, yeah. But if I was to buy one, I'd probably get the standard MT10, just because I don't have a lot of money. And it's not that, for someone like me, that electronic suspension isn't really going to make a massive difference. It's probably more for those who are track days and really fast, and I'm not, so probably a bit wasted on me. So yeah, I'd probably just buy the MT10, but it's nice to have the upgraded version like this. Nice. And you get the fancy paint job as well, which, I'll be honest, I don't really like. No, I like it, I just wouldn't have it for myself. If I do, when I upgrade my MT07, if I do get an 09 or whatever I can afford, I don't think I can afford one of these. If I can, I don't want this blue and grey. It feels really good in the corners. Come on, move out of the way, I want to go. Oh, for God's sake. Really? I'm coming onto the motorway, so you're not going to be able to hear me soon. And this guy's absolutely ruining it for me. This has got the aquapulvic slip on as well, so it sounds a little bit beefier than just standard, but it's not very loud. It's alright. While I was on the motorway then, I was looking at the speed I was doing, and I don't really want to say what speed I was doing, but it feels chill. I'm not talking like 130 miles an hour, but or whatever this bike's capable of, like 200, whatever. I'm just talking, you know, like motorway speed, motorway cruising, or a little bit faster. And it's just so chill. If that was on my bike, I'd really know I was doing that speed. Obviously my bike's a smaller engine, but I mean, regarding wind as well, you haven't, I mean, this can't, does it really do that much? Maybe it does, because I didn't feel like my neck was going to fall off like it does on my bike. So that actually must make a difference. And another thing, when I first rode this the other day, because I'm on about upgrading my MT07, it made me realise that, because at one stage I was considering a sports bike, and it just made me realise there's no point in a sports bike on the road when you can have just as much fun on this. I jump on a naked bike and I just feel at home. This feels right for me. is pretty. Hey! Come and witness this stand.
The what?
Come and witness how bad this stand is.
Why?
I just can't do it.
Stand.
Right, look where it is.
Oh yeah, it's right underneath the thing, isn't it?
I've done it first time. Honestly. Last time I rode it, I couldn't do it side. I said before that I think it's really quite quiet with its acrophobic slip-on, but the two guys I've been riding with have both said it's really loud and they can hear it over their bikes. So maybe it's not that quiet. Just sort of sounds it on yours when you're riding it, which I suppose is a good thing. Where's it going here? God, this street's tiny. I bet this is echoing through here. Hello. Some nice cars around here. Okay, so I've just got back from taking the MT10 out. I swapped to the chest mount sort of towards the end, so you won't hear me talking, but hopefully I'll have some good twisty footage with the chest mount because that's one of my favourite mounts. But so badly. It was so much fun. I know when I get back on this now, it's just going to feel like nothing, but yeah, obviously they are a bit lumpy, low down, but I just don't care. It's just so much fun. Everybody has their preferences obviously, but apart from the stupid side stand, I love it and I really want one. So yeah, if you haven't test rode one, I recommend trying one because it's so good. So yeah.